was.
Stinker. I used to stink.
Hey guys, I'm back. I just reconnected real quick. No big issues, right? Listen to the devs with the open mouth, man. I'm still lagging. I'm still lagging.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Oh, how nice.
Oh my gosh.
There is no sprout in this field. It says there's a sprout in, is there a sprout in Pepper Patch?
I don't know.
There's no sprout here. What the hell? Okay, I'm gonna do some coconut grinding.
Oh wait, yeah.
If you want, I can do one sprout on coconut.
No, please. No sprouts.
Okay.
Not while I'm doing coconut crab.
Why? Why no sprouts?
Because it's annoying to me.
Oh, I keep forgetting I have to turn my volume down. It's annoying.
Ah! Oh my god, I'm nearly dead.
Oh shoot.
I'm nearly dead.
Run. Use your glider,
No, I got it. Because they're not losing stuff.
No, it's fine. Use your glider to live.
I'm dead.
Dang it.
I went so far too. I was at like 140.
I dare you to retry. It's actually gonna help.
Oh, I'm at 30 stingers.
Oh, and I'm gonna go get my honey mask. Oh, you're at 30? You only used 8?
Yeah, I keep forgetting.
Do you want me to find a vicious?
Oh, yes.
At my
Hang on.
place.
Oh. Vicious. I'm looking for a vicious.
I have to get my honey on. Hold on.
Spider?
Pepper. Check pepper. Because if it's a gifted, and then you'll get like 13 stingers.
Yeah, I'm looking. Oh, it is! Oh wait, hang on, that's a sprinkler. That's not.
He's good. Just say I don't have mythic. He'll be like, oh, I feel sorry for you. He won't be like that, of course. Just kidding, he will. He's a nice person.
Oh, blackberry, bit of what? Done.
Okay, I'm gonna get my buffs ready. Every buff except for glitter. So I don't want to use any glitters yet.
My hand is burning from that. What?
What's it?
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Ah.
Nah, I started a new one because, yeah, no.
When are you gonna upload your vids?
In a while. Wait, where's my cursor gone?
I'm killing Coco.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, it's working! My
What?
chat's working.
The chat's working?
Yeah.
Good.
Good for you. Yay, it's working. Oh, thanks.
Can I grind?
Where's my...
He just disconnected. Oh, he's back.
Oh.
Was already just disconnected. I think I'm lagging because I'm not on an Apple device. I'm the only one.
Do you have any night bells?
No, I don't understand. Wait, do I?
If you do, please use it.
Of course I will. No, I don't think I have any night bells, sorry.
No.
Once I get a billion, I'm B-leveling.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna pop a few clouds down in this field.
I really
just for my convenience, and a little magic bean.
Okay, so I'm done. Are there any bears that I'm missing?
Ah, yes. Now I've stopped lagging.
What was it?
Now I can start using my microconverters. 4 million honey a second. You heard me. I love that frog sound. It's so funny. I'm gonna ask Rossi if he can like spam drops.
Wait, what happens if I use a neon berry on a bee?
It just becomes radioactive, and if you feed it certain items, it might become mutated. And if it's mutated, every now and then it will become radioactive.
Should I use a neon berry on what's its nut? Vicious bee?
There's 3 clouds in this field, so
Wait,
I
hang
don't.
on. What bees can make it mutated? I mean, what things can make it mutated?
Pretty much the fruit it likes. I'm pretty sure.
I'll look it up.
Yeah, look it up in the wiki.
I'll be back.
Oh, you have to leave, don't you?
You'll
Because you're not on desktop.
back. I'll be back.
I'm lagging so bad.
I'll be back.
I've already made like 100 mil or something. If Rosario leaves, that would be great, but I want him to stay. Half of me wants him to stay, half of me wants him to go, because it's lagging, and he's a nice friend. Decide that wanting me to make him stay is being a bit more powerful. Oh, I need this cloud buff, don't I?
Green shells,
Star Jelly does it? Yeah, I'm pretty sure if Star Jelly does it, Royal should as well, right? Hey, this video is getting long. Just kidding, it's only 7 minutes. The other one's been 15, I think. I was keeping an eye on my counter. Oh, it's going slow. Ooh, gumdrops. I'm at 1 million a second, which is really nice. Because I need honey. I'm only at 1 billion. I've gotten to 4 billion, I think. It's my best. Oh no, he fell off. Or died. I think he died. Oh, and all my clouds are gone. Because he died. Lol. It's just completely coincidental. Ugh.
what is what?
Lol. Ah, bad timing. Not good timing at all. Oh gosh, I have no haste, so I can't.
What's Vicious Bee's favorite food?
Blueberries, pretty sure. No, event bees don't have favorites. I only got a few meals. Yeah,
He is? It doesn't tell you.
he is. Ah, no, I fell off.
Hey,
Dang it.
back.
Well, while I'm here, I might as well just do the casual ho.
I'm gonna do the neon berry and moon charms.
I'm gonna try to use my 3,000 strawberries to
Give
get a
neon berry to
gifted
Vicious
shy.
Bee. Give neon berry to Vicious Bee. Ready?
Yeah.
Yes. It's radioactive.
Should I? How many neoberries do I have? Bitterberries. Okay, I I'm gonna try to get a mutated vicious right now.
Oh my god.
Hopefully I do.
Maybe I could make it look so cool. What?
Because Christian's got a mutation, Rosario's got a mutation. Nearly everyone I know has a mutation, but Raph and I. Oh, or Junaid. Should I use my star jellies and try to get a gifted legend?
Who do you mutate? I can't see.
Vicious.
Oh, nice.
Should I use my 4 star jellies on Baby and try to get a gifted legend? I'm gonna do it. No auto jellies on. Oh, that was close. Okay, I was only on all until legendary, but I'm gonna roll it manually, just cause. Gifted Brave. I'm not gonna keep him. Gifted Demo. Do I have him?
Oh wait.
I have him for sure.
That's right.
Do I have a gifted Demo? I know I have one already, but I know I've discovered it. I don't know if I just have it.
Probably transformed it.
No, I already have it.
Yes.
And I actually have it. Like it's in my hive. Have it.
Oh,
Somewhere over
25
here,
minutes,
isn't it?
and all I need is the ability token.
Oh my goodness!
That was loud.
Dude! My cub buddy is giving me so good stuff. Enzymes, tropical drink, blue extract, oil, and red extracts. For free. I did nothing.
Dude, is it okay if you just...
Yeah, calm it down a bit. I was just a bit...
Well, I can't calm down.
Oh, I got nothing good. It's always bad.
Always bad. I know.
And they're right next to each other as well, so that sucks even more.
Big.
I need a... What do you call it? Oh yeah, my coconut boost. Oh gosh. What am I doing? Coconut boost. Quick. Before it runs out. Oh yeah, I have oil cooking. Dude, I thought Rosario had like all 3.
What?
All 3 mythics for a second. I was confused. Rosario uses his glider, which is actually a really, really good strategy. It takes him like 20 minutes or something, but he does it. Because I've seen him just grinding free on the field before. I was just playing Minus Haven.
Who are you talking to?
Myself. Well, viewers. Okay, the light's gone down.
You got a mythic spicy bee?
I do.
Yeah.
He doesn't. He's missing Spicy Bee and I'm missing Vector Bee. Sorry, no, Tadpole Bee.
Did you see a tadpole?
Yeah, he has Tadpole.
Only one here without a mythic.
Hey, think of it, it's actually kind of good. You haven't used any Robux.
That is true.
I'm just gonna use everything
Yes, I'm the only one here who hasn't used Robux, that's it.
He used Robux. I use Robux. I'm pretty sure Christian used Robux.
Nick used Robux.
Yeah, he told me. Nick's not being very nice. Oh, Christian's got a channel, guys. Subscribe. I forgot. Subscribe to Christian's channel. Bob Jr. Senior. All caps, by the way. Bob Jr. Senior _ plays.
Does?
Yeah, he does. He made it like a few weeks ago. I still haven't subbed, which is weird. I keep forgetting.
How loud do you have to talk for the viewers to hear?
Oh, competing over the television, so yeah. Kind of a big deal. Not really, because I'm wearing headphones. Lol. Blank. And I'm nearly at 1 billion. Nearly. 5 million a second. Where does that come from? It's my microconverter. Why? Don't do that. Use them for blending. Tropical drinks, yeah. Yay! I finally hit 1 billion after I don't know how long. after like 3 days. Yeah.
Oh my god.
I usually get a billion every day when I do this coconut boost.
Oh my god.
No, look, really.
I know.
I get a billion every day. Let me go to my badges and check.
I need a nighttime.
Yeah, nearly 3 billion honey, 3 billion plus I've made from the coconut field. I only made how much? Spider badge. I think coconut's my best field right now. No, actually, I do think so. 4.
What happens if I don't?
Wait, I only have blue flower ace. Spider one, bamboo, pineapple.
It's not letting me donate.
Yeah. Yeah, coconut's my best field right now.
It's not letting me donate jelly. It's not letting me donate a wind shiner.
What do you mean?
It's not letting me donate a music bee jelly.
Yeah, it won't have it because it's a specific bee jelly.
Fair enough.
If it's a raw jelly, of course. Yeah, I went to the coast on Sunday and I hurt myself there, and now I can't even bend over. Alright guys, I think I'll have to end the video there because it's getting kind of beefy. So, see you guys next time.